The 2025 Leyland Roadtrain Cabover is a truck that demands attention with its rugged yet modern design, offering a glimpse into the future of heavy-duty transport, renowned for its efficiency, durability, and power. This model continues Leyland's legacy in providing some of the most reliable trucks on the market. Equipped with a 12.9-liter six-cylinder diesel engine, the 2025 Roadtrain delivers a commanding 500 horsepower and 2,500 newton-meters of torque, making it ideal for both long-haul freight and heavy-duty tasks. This power is harnessed through a 12-speed, automated manual transmission, ensuring smooth shifting and fuel-efficient performance on long drives. The truck is built for strength, with an upgraded chassis designed to handle high payloads, while its advanced suspension system promises a comfortable ride. Despite the weight it carries, in terms of technology, the Roadtrain has undergone significant updates for 2025, incorporating smart fleet management systems, predictive maintenance, and telematics, all aimed at improving operational efficiency and reducing downtime. Inside, the driver is treated to a spacious cabin with state-of-the-art ergonomic seating, a digital dashboard, and a suite of connectivity options, ensuring both comfort and productivity on long trips. Compared to other industry-leading models like the Freightliner Cascadia, Volvo FH, and MAN TG, the 2020 Leyland Roadtrain stands out with its combination of raw power and fuel efficiency. While the Freightliner Cascadia offers slightly higher horsepower, the Leyland Roadtrain delivers a more balanced torque figure, which is crucial for hauling heavy loads. The Volvo FH, on the other hand, may offer slightly better cabin technology, but the Roadtrain takes the edge in terms of sheer durability and maintenance simplicity. Against the MAN TG, Leyland's offering holds its ground with comparable comfort and reliability, but at a more competitive price point. Historically, the Leyland Roadtrain has been a cornerstone of heavy-duty transportation in markets like Australia and the UK, where its Cabover design has allowed for better maneuverability in tight spaces, a key advantage in city deliveries and crowded highways. Since its reintroduction in recent years, it has maintained a strong reputation for being a dependable workhorse. Looking to the future, the 2025 Leyland Roadtrain Cabover is poised to play a vital role in the continued evolution of the freight industry, with an emphasis on fuel efficiency, sustainability, and connected technologies. It is well positioned to meet the growing demands for greener and smarter logistics solutions. As transport regulations tighten globally, the Roadtrain's ability to adapt to these changes will ensure its relevance in a fast-evolving industry.